The Uganda People's Defense Forces, UPDF, has officially begun the retirement process for a select group of its most senior military officers. Known as UPDF Retirement Batch 16, the exercise marks a significant transition within the country's military leadership. Documentation for the retiring officers recently took place at the Ministry of Defense and Veteran Affairs Headquarters in Buea, Kampala. According to official figures, the batch includes 20 general officers, 1 general, 2 lieutenant generals, 4 major generals, 13 brigadier generals. Speaking at the event, Major General James Kinalwa, representing the Chief of Joint Staff, praised the outgoing officers for their decades of service and urged them to remain active in Uganda's national development even after military duty ends. The retirement drive is part of a broader personnel transition program aimed at leadership renewal, professional growth, and continuity within the armed forces. Thousands of military personnel are expected to retire under this wider exercise. Notable officers linked to retirement. We begin straight. While the UPDF has not released an official comprehensive list, multiple media reports have named several high-profile commanders set to retire. We start with the generals. General Edward Katumba Wamala, the former Chief of Defense Forces, recently Minister of Works and Transport, now appointed Minister of Public Service, is on the list and the only general retiring. Lieutenant Generals, we have Lieutenant General Charles Otema, who is a Reserve Force Commander. There's Lieutenant General Charles Sangira, who is the former Deputy Chief of Defense Forces. In the list also we have Major Generals. There's Major General Abel Kandio, who is the former Chieftain of Military Intelligence, Major General Apollo Kasita Goa, Major General Godfrey Katshigazi Tumusime, Major General Henry Marubwene Pasiko, and there is Major General Leopold Kiana. Brigadier Generals in the first list: Brigadier General Bakunda Basige Cyrus, Edson Mwanguzi, Winston Barihanga, Stephen Tumwesije Kashura, Tom Kikoyo Kabuye, Sam Omara, and Fred Rogadia Hakiki. But there is also the second list of Brigadier Generals. There is Brigadier General Mike Samuel Kisame, Patrick Mwesije, Fred Mwesije, Habart Rego Mbonye, Simon Nicholas Ochan, Metlan K Bitumbuke, Cyril Mawa Muyindo, Charles Bakamura, Charles Asimwe Kahingire. So you may ask yourself, what are the significance of the retirements? This wave of retirement is significant for several reasons. The first one is the hand of an era. Many of these officers have shaped Uganda's military and security architecture for decades, including key roles in past counterinsurgency operations, regional peace missions, and intelligence leadership. Secondly, leadership renewal. The UPDF has consistently used structured retirement to bring younger, professionally trained officers into top command positions. This ensures the force remains dynamic and adaptable. Thirdly, political and administrative impact. The most prominent name, General Katumba Wamala, moving from Works and Transport to the Ministry of Public Service, shows how retired senior military officers often transition into senior civilian government roles. Fourthly, institutional continuity. Major General Kinala's message emphasizes that retiring officers are encouraged to contribute to national development outside uniform, implying that their expertise remains valued. Wrapping this up, the UPDF's Batch 16 retirement exercise represents a deliberate, structured handover of military leadership. While an official list remains unpublished, the names circulating in media include some of the most influential commanders in Uganda's recent history. Their departure will create space for a new generation of military leaders, while the retirees themselves are expected to continue serving the nation in civilian capacities.